Hi guys, it's me Sushant Arora. Let's see what we can do in gold. Let's see first on a weekly time frame. As you can see, last week it break this trend line, and it is right now at 2006 level. So right now I'm bullish on gold because, as I told in my previous video as well, that gold will soon touch this previous high because of all the things happening in international level. The war is happening, so whenever something like this happen, so gold is always bullish, because that's why we call it safe haven. So now what are the levels for us? So on weekly time frame, so this is next level for me, which is 2021, and if it break this as well, then 2030 is a good level. If we draw a bigger fib from here, sorry, so currently we touch 0.786 fib level on a weekly time frame. So if it break this, then this is not very far, so this will be our zone of interest. But I believe in next 1 or 2 week it will reach to this level very easily, 2066. It's a very strong level where we can do some shorting. Then ultimately, if the situation in international front will not comes to normal, which is very unlikely to happen, then it will create a new high, and we might see 2100 level very soon. So I'm still bullish on gold. Let's see on a daily time frame. So I draw this fib from low of this, because it is still showing like high 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 low, high 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 low. So it is still bullish, not a major pullback. So it came to this level and it touched to 36. So if it start coming back from this level, which is 2006 right now, if gap down will open, then tomorrow, then we might see some correction and we'll see again 1980 level. So, and if it break this, then we'll see this 1960 odd level, which is I don't think so it will happen soon. So yes, if it shows some correction, then we see 1980 level, and we'll try to find a trade for a upside from this level. But if it comes more down, then this is a strong support, 1963. And after 1963, now if you see, the 38 fib has a very strong support level. So 38 fib, if it shows correction from here, then 38 fib is not very far. It's 1934, and it can happen in like I think in coming week, or maybe by starting of next week, if it starting showing the correction. But as of now, since uh, the war happened, it is showing only the upside move. So for on upside, we have this zone of interest from 1921 to 19 2030. So these 9 points, and on bottom we have this zone of interest, of course, 1978 to 1981. So this is a small zone, but yes, it is still valid for me, because we have seen correction so many times. So it might come to this level, for example like this, it comes to like this, or it can go to this level. So then this level is interested for me. But if it travel like this, that for example it directly go to this level, then I might not be interested, because then I'll take trade on top of the zone, not at the bottom, but I'll take trade on top of the zone. And and if it surpass this and this, maybe, or it can go like maybe something like this, then it can reach this 2067 previous high. So it might travel like this, but I'm still bullish. So on downside as well, I'll try to see more buy opportunity on gold instead of looking for a selling opportunity. Yes, I'll take some small percentage of risk, like 0.5% you can take on a trade, with a risk to reward of I think 1:2 at least. So gold, if I'll trade in New York section only. So New York session is very important, and Asian and UK session is not very important for me if, for shorting. And let's go on a 4-hour time frame. So EMA is still very far from the time zone. If you see, if it's a big bullish candle at the end of the session of Friday, and it moves almost from top to bottom 2660 points. So we might see some correction till 1996-97 range, and from there it will eventually go up. So the trend is upside, it's not downside. So we have seen some consolidation on 4-hour time frame, then it goes up. Now it break this previous high, and it break this previous low over here. Now if we see some correction over here, this could happen on a 4-hour time frame. Like we might see something like this, some break, and then we can see this level, or maybe this level. So it could happen like this as well, or maybe it might be this. So we might see this pattern as well on 4-hour time frame, and this can unlikely be happen, or we may see another bullish candle, then it can come down. So anything can happen, but I'm telling you the different scenario which can happen in gold. So please do tell me if you take any of this trade and how that goes. Please keep your stop loss, don't take risk of more than 1% on any trade, and gold is very volatile market right now. So thank you guys, thank you so much.